Hey guys, what is up? It is Draven, and today we're going to be doing a video featuring the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Alyssa Edwards palettes. And I'll show you the PR package in a bit. It's pretty cool, but first I'm just going to talk about what I did about my foundation. For the primer, I use the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer, and I like it so far. I bought the mini size just to try it out, and I think I like it so far. I went to the beach for a concert like last weekend too, and my makeup lasted pretty cool. You know, the beach is like really humid out there, but I think this actually works pretty well. I heard mixed reviews about it. And for foundation, I've actually fallen in love with the Anastasia stick foundations. I know like a couple tutorials ago when I first tried it out, I didn't like it, but I like it now. I guess maybe I was just applying it wrong. And I would just blend it out with this Anastasia Beverly Hills A30 brush. I think it's a foundation brush, so I use it for that. Maybe I'll do a video by itself, just show you guys how I use the stick foundation. I used the shades Warm Porcelain and Warm Alabaster. And then I did my brows first using that Dip Brow Pomade from Anastasia and Granite, and the Granite Brow Powder, and of course the clear Anastasia Brow Gel. So yes, I think that's pretty much about it for my foundation. I want to do that before I start filming. And also the brows. I want to try brows before foundation. I don't know how. It's okay. I like doing brows after foundation, but I got to cut them with concealer, so they look kind of clean, so I like it. So finally, here is a package I received from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Let's kick some angel music. There it is. It's a big box, you guys. I don't know if I can just open it. Okay, so here it is. I'm trying to get in frame. Yeah. It's really cool. It came with the mirror, a fan, and the palette. And I'll probably use a fan later in the video. But let's pull a palette out. And I'm gonna get the mirror out right now too, so just give me a second. Okay, so here is the mirror. It's really beautiful. It's covered in like a bunch of like little rhinestones. It says Beast on it, and on the other side it has like a little pair of lips. You can see the camera right there. I like it. This reminds me of breasts actually. I don't know why. I guess it's just the lips. This is a really cool mirror. I really like it. And of course next is the fan. Here it is. It's a really huge fan. Like it's huge. And it says Beast on it, and it's like a really hot pink. I like it. It's really cool. And of course the palette. Everything's pretty much a hot pink in this box. It's a hot pink. It's kind of blinding, but you know, it's really cool. I like it. And the colors and the eyeshadows, I don't know if you have seen already, probably have. They're really bright and vibrant colors in here. There's also some neutral, so you can definitely create a vibrant look or even neutral look with this palette. That's what I like about it. It even comes with a brush and all that. So I think today we're gonna do a bright look, of course. I've seen everyone do like probably a 10 color combination from this palette already. I was one of the late ones to receive the palette, but I don't know. Okay, I really don't want to do a cut crease, but I might end up doing a cut crease. But we'll see what happens, because I've seen a lot of people do cut creases with the palette, and they use the same like color combo with these shades and purple. Like, I don't know. And I was like, maybe I should do a neutral shade. I haven't really seen anyone do that, but why would I do neutral when there's like all these beautiful bright shades in there? I don't know. I'll definitely do neutral next time. So I think we should dive in now. Okay, so before we start off with the eyeshadow palette, they had actually sent me the new eye primer that's released, so here it is. I'm really excited to try it because I've been using Urban Decay's primer potion for years. Like, I've honestly been using it since like middle school. No other primer, eye primer, nothing. It's just always Urban Decay. That was like my go-to primer, and it has been for a very long time. But I'm excited to try out this new primer. Let's see how this is. It's kind of like the original Urban Decay applicator. It used to be like a little squeeze out tube. Just that. I kind of miss it now. They have the wand. I really don't like the wand. I still apply it with my fingers, but I see people apply this with a brush. Like they apply it. I don't know. And it kind of looks like concealer. But we'll see. It's like a really light color. So I'm not sure if this will be a good brush to use it with. It's just an A24. We're just gonna use it because it's clean. So yes, I guess I'm gonna apply that onto my eye. Okay, so now as a base, I'm going to be adding the shade Headliner, which is basically white. And I'm applying it a little bit all over my eyelid. Even though, I mean, the primer already made my eyelid like all white already, but we're going to add a little bit more just to kind of set it just a little bit. I'm using a brush that came in the palette. so the inner corner of my eye, I decided to apply Dream It, which is this really vibrant blue. I decided to apply it onto the inner corner. I'm going to apply it with this part of the brush that I'm holding up, and I'm going to blend it out. I'll possibly blend it out with headliner, which is white, because I don't really have like, any lighter blues to like blend it out or like, transition out, so white's probably going to deal for now. So I'm probably pulling out any other palettes for their blues, so I'm applying it and blending it out. Okay, so next we're going to be applying the shade Believe, which is this purple. It's a really beautiful bright purple. And we're applying it onto the outer corners and kind of blending it into the previous shade that we had just applied to the eyeball. I can't remember what it was called. But yes, we're applying this one. Okay, so I want to try to cut the crease using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer, and I just want to try it out to see if it's good to cut creases with. Usually I'll use like a concealer, but I'm going to try this out since, I don't know, maybe, I think it probably would be good for cutting creases. So we're going to do that. We're going to cut the crease. I'm probably just going to bring it in, do dramatic crease, I'm going to do something else with this. So yeah, something I haven't tried yet before. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so next I'm adding the shade Texas Made, and it's this really pretty hot pink right here. And I'm going to apply it right underneath the crease I just cut. I'm not going to put it all over my lid, and y'all see. I'll probably cut the crease again after that, just to make like a line, I guess, a liner pretty much. I'll see. Okay, so next we're cutting the crease once again, and this time we're going to be doing it like how we did this side. We basically made like a thin strip of liner, pretty much. That's why I didn't fill in the whole entire eye. I tried avoiding doing that much, but my brush kind of got a little messy, so yeah. But we're going to be applying the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer, and we're cutting crease with it, and then after that we're going to be applying the white eyeshadow from the palette, which is Headliner. Okay, so next we're applying the shade Brick Road, which is this really beautiful bright yellow. So I'm applying it with a flat brush. And really basically just going to apply it like all over the empty space on the lid. so next I'm going to be applying the shade Dream It underneath the eyes. Okay, so next I'm using the Baby Bat Beauty Midnight Mascara and I'm applying it onto my lashes. Okay, so one last thing for the eyeshadow, I'm gonna apply the shade Inspire onto the yellow. This is kind of a gold shade. I kind of swatched it before on top of yellow and that looked really nice, so I'm gonna add it. Okay, so next I'm going to be contouring face using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. And we're going to be diving into this shade right here. And also I might be diving into this one right here and these two just to kind of define my face a little more. Okay, so next I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dream Palette. And we're going to be dipping into the shade Unicorn right here. I'm going to be applying it onto my cheekbones and probably a little bit like on my brow bone. So yeah. Okay, so next we're dipping into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio palette, and I'm probably using these two shades right here. Okay, so next I'm applying Anastasia Beverly Hills Sedona lipstick onto my lips. Okay, so next I'm applying Anastasia Beverly Hills Sunset Strip lip gloss onto my lips. Okay, so next I'm applying these Weirdo lashes from Shop Made Me Artistry. These are really beautiful. They're they're perfect for glam looks and they're dramatic and long. I just like them a lot. Okay, so that is it for today's tutorial. So thank you guys so much for watching, checking it out. I had a ton of fun playing on this palette. I love all these colors. I think the lashes really did bring the look together. And then this mirror is just super cute. I just love this mirror so much. It's pretty. I like it. I need to clean it because I'm sure I should have it. But yeah, I really like this mirror. It's so pretty. I think I'm gonna use this all the time. I love it. Yeah, I like it. And then this fan. It's so dramatic. Oh my god, I'm so over me. I don't think it'll even fit in frame. Like, it's so big. I like it. It's really dramatic. This is so fun. I like it. So thank you Anastasia Beverly Hills so much for sending me this. Thank you so much Norvina. This is maybe like my second release that I've gotten since being added to the PR list. I'm really excited. I can't wait for future releases. But I really like this palette. It has neutral shades in it and it has bright shades in it, so you can like of course you can also mix them as well. You can definitely do like 2 types of like moods with this palette. Like there's like some browns and some black, or there's even white. That can also be neutral as well. This one's kind of neutral too. It's just like a golden color. It's really pretty. But yeah, I think this definitely could work with like anybody. Like even if you want to dip in just a little bit of color, I think this palette's really great. Can like experiment with some colors, because some people are like, they're afraid of using colors, and I always encourage like people, I'm like, you need to try the colors. Like back then I used to be kind of scared of using colors. Like I was kind of neutral for a while, and I would always wear black eyeshadow, and then I started experimenting with colors, and it was a lot of fun. I really do like colorful makeup now, so I think this is a palette that's perfect for everybody. Of course I have the other summer collection now, the bridal collection is what they call it. That one's more neutral, the pigments, the lipsticks. So thank you guys so much for checking out this video. Make sure to leave a like and comment down below. And also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Also be sure to follow me on my social medias. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys want to see a neutral look with this palette. If you want me to play around with the neutrals, or even do like a half neutral, half colorful look with it. I don't know, just like a pop of color, you know, the little mostly neutrals. I don't know. I'm just trying to think of like the combinations I can do with this palette. Maybe I'll try not to do something cut crease. Maybe I can do like a smoky eye, a blue smoky eye with this. I don't know, we'll see. I'm just trying to think of like all the possibilities with it instead of doing like a cut crease. I mean, this cut crease is like really, it took me a while, to be honest with you guys. It was like a double crease. Like, yeah, technically it is a double crease. It took me a while. So thank you guys so much for checking out this video. Make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and make sure you have a wonderful day. Bye guys!